आनी आतां पुराय खबरो. विधानसभेचे दनपारचे कामकाज सुरू करताच विरोधी पक्षान सभापतीच्या कामकाजात आडमेळ हाडपाचो यत्न केलो. तांचो मुद्दो पयलीं सुटावो करचो अशी तांची मागणी आशिल्ली. गोंय राज्यांतल्या कांय नामनेच्या सर्गेस्त व्यक्तींक श्रद्धांजली दिवपाच्या प्रस्तावा वेळार तांणी घोशणा दिल्यो तेन्ना सभापतीन त्या सदस्यांक मार्शला वरवीं भायर काडपाची कारवाय केली. आरडीएक्स खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Speaker sir.
We'll take 0 hour mention.
Speaker sir. आम्ही
चर्चिल आलेमा
सकाळी स्टार्ट सांगितले की आमचे
सेकंड 0 hour चर्चिल आलेमा
that you have to start.
Third 0 hour प्रसाद गांवकर.
You have to resolve that issue. Speaker
Fourth,
sir. Please.
Praveen Zandiye.
Please, we request you to resolve the issue. Please.
Francis Silver.
Speaker
Honorable
sir.
MLA.
We request you to resolve the issue before. Sir.
0 hour mentioned by
Resolve.
Glenn Tiglo.
Fear and anxiety.
No, I already called out. Arbitrary references. We will see. I am calling out arbitrary references. Please give some respect. Otherwise, I will have to name. We will take up the arbitrary references listed for the other day. Late Somnath Chatterjee, former Lok Sabha Speaker, His Majesty Sri Sultan Abbas bin Ali Said, former Sultan of London. Vijay, I will have to name you. I name you Vijay Sardesai. Late Sri Ram Jatmani, eminent jurist, former Union Minister. Late T.N. Sishan, former Chief Election Commissioner. Late Sri Marceline Lebeti, alias Marceline Norona, renowned theatrist. Late Sri Nilkant Kadilkar, veteran journalist. Late Dr. Suresh Amankar, a renowned literature and recipient of prestigious Padma Shri and Sahitya Akademi Awards. Late Dr. Sriman Lagu, veteran theatre, film actor and eminent doctor. Late Sri Suryakant Lavande, noted senator. Late Father Joachim de Mello, eminent educationist. The sentiments of the House will be conveyed to their families. Let us observe silence for 1 minute.
Babu.
We will take up the Congress motions. Mr. Rowan, Honorable MLA, Mr. Rowan, I will have to name you. I have to name you. I am naming Rowan Mote. Congress motion by Digambar Kamath, leader of the opposition. Congratulations motion by Praveen Zandiye.
आमच्या गोयच्या फिल्म स्थिल पुराण हाची प्रतिश्ठेचे बर्लिन फिल्म महोत्सव